Welcome to the Mind Spark, bringing you the latest news from around the world. The world was stunned. In cities and villages across the globe, people gathered around screens, their faces illuminated by the flicker of breaking news. The air was thick with anticipation, as if everyone instinctively knew that something extraordinary was unfolding. Webb Telescope detects unexplained glow on Proxima B's night side. The headline flashed everywhere, igniting a wave of curiosity and disbelief. In the control rooms of the Space Telescope Science Institute, tension had been building for weeks. Every new data packet brought a mix of hope and anxiety, as scientists waited for confirmation of the anomaly. Data from the James Webb Space Telescope revealed a persistent faint glow from Proxima B's dark side. It was unlike anything seen before, steady, unwavering, and impossible to ignore. This wasn't volcanic heat or aurorae, it was stable, concentrated, and had a spectral fingerprint that suggested something artificial. The pattern was too regular, too precise to be a natural phenomenon. A young astronomer flagged a spike in the data, a narrow emission band stubbornly out of place. It was a detail easily missed, but it changed everything. The team checked for errors, solar flares, cosmic interference. They ran simulations, recalibrated instruments, and pored over every possibility. The signal remained. It was a planetary-scale glow, consistent with high-intensity LED lighting. The illumination formed patterns that hinted at structure, perhaps even civilization. The news erupted, shaking humanity's sense of cosmic solitude. Social media exploded with theories, debates, and dreams of first contact. For centuries, we've asked, are we alone? The question echoed through history, inspiring art, science, and philosophy. Now, a reply had come, not as a message, but as a presence. The glow was a silent answer, more profound than words. A light in the window of our nearest neighbor, hinting that someone, or something, was home. The possibility of another civilization felt closer than ever before. The universe suddenly felt less empty, and infinitely more intriguing. Every star now seemed to hold new secrets, every planet a potential companion. This was the moment humanity stopped wondering if we were alone and started asking who our neighbors were. The search for answers had only just begun, and the cosmos felt alive with possibility. Why do we look to the stars? What draws us to gaze upward, night after night, searching for meaning in the endless expanse above? Curiosity is woven into our DNA. It's a fundamental part of what makes us human, driving us to explore, to question, and to dream beyond the boundaries of our world. From ancient skywatchers who built monuments to track the heavens, to modern astronomers peering through powerful telescopes, the cosmos has always inspired wonder and questions that echo through generations. The search for extraterrestrial life is the latest chapter in this timeless quest, a quest that unites us across cultures and centuries. Finding intelligent life would be the most profound discovery in human history, shaking the very foundation of how we see ourselves and our place in the universe. It would mean life isn't a cosmic fluke but a common thread in the universe, woven through countless worlds and possibilities. The universe is vast. There are more stars than grains of sand on all the beaches of Earth, making it unlikely we're truly alone in this cosmic ocean. Our achievements have been remarkable, reaching out into space but always in isolation, as a single voice calling out into the dark. Discovering another civilization would be like finding a message in a bottle after millennia of solitude, a sign that someone else is out there, sharing this journey. It would open doors to knowledge, culture, and new perspectives, transforming our understanding of life, science, and even ourselves. Of course, it raises anxieties. Would our neighbors be peaceful or hostile? How would we communicate, and what would we learn from them? But the search itself is essential. It's how we find our place in the cosmos and how we continue to grow as a species. We look to the stars not just to find others, but to understand ourselves, to seek connection, and to embrace the mysteries that make life so extraordinary. Searching for alien cities isn't science fiction, it's a real scientific pursuit. Scientists look for technosignatures, the byproducts of technology, like artificial light. From space, Earth's night side glows with city lights, a clear sign of civilization. Why wouldn't another advanced species light up their world too? Proxima B, likely tidally locked, is a prime target. One side in eternal night, perfect for detecting artificial illumination. A civilization there might build cities on the night side or in the twilight zone, making their light stand out. Before Webb, this was theory. Our telescopes weren't sensitive enough. But now, astronomers can look for a steady, narrow-spectrum glow on a nearby, tidally locked world. The search for intelligence has expanded. We're not just listening for signals, but looking for the unmistakable signs of engineering. We're searching for purpose, not just presence. The hunt for city lights is the next frontier in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. To truly grasp the impact of this discovery, we first need to understand what makes Proxima B so fascinating. Orbiting Proxima Centauri, just over 4 light-years away, Proxima B is our closest known exoplanet neighbor, a cosmic neighbor in the truest sense. Discovered in 2016, Proxima B is a rocky world, slightly more massive than Earth, and it orbits within the habitable zone of its star, where temperatures could, in theory, allow liquid water to exist. This unique position makes it a top candidate in the search for life beyond our solar system, sparking the imagination of scientists and dreamers alike. However, life on Proxima B would face extreme challenges. Proxima Centauri is a volatile, flare-prone red dwarf, frequently blasting the planet with intense radiation and powerful stellar winds. Proxima B is also likely tidally locked, meaning one side is perpetually scorched by daylight, while the other remains in eternal, frozen darkness. Any life here would need to be incredibly resilient, perhaps thriving deep underground beneath protective layers of rock, underwater in vast alien oceans, or clinging to survival in the narrow twilight zone between day and night. The detection of artificial light on Proxima B would suggest not just the presence of life, but the existence of advanced technology, civilizations capable of overcoming these harsh extremes. Perhaps their cities are built underground, shielded from radiation, with surface lights used for agriculture, navigation, or even communication. Or maybe they've engineered vast planetary shields or megastructures, protecting their world from the relentless energy of their star. Here, artificial light isn't just a sign of intelligence, it's a beacon of survival, adaptation, and mastery over a hostile environment. With these possibilities, Proxima B transforms from a distant, potentially habitable world into a symbol of what a truly advanced civilization might achieve in the face of adversity. The persistent glow of Proxima B stands as a testament to resilience, ingenuity, and the enduring hope of life in the vastness of the cosmos. The James Webb Space Telescope is the hero of this discovery. Launched in 2021, Webb is humanity's most powerful space observatory, designed to see the universe in infrared. Its massive, gold-coated mirror collects faint light from distant worlds. Webb's instruments use spectroscopy to break light into its component wavelengths, revealing chemical fingerprints. This lets scientists search for biosignatures and technosignatures. Artificial lights like LEDs produce unique spectral lines distinct from natural sources. The team pointed Webb at Proxima Centauri, isolating the planet's faint glow. Subtracting the star's light, they found narrow, artificial-looking emission lines on the night side. Only Webb's sensitivity made this possible. It turned a theoretical search into a stunning observation. Webb didn't just see a planet, it saw a civilization's footprint. Proxima B's glow is part of a new era in astronomy. Not long ago, we didn't know if planets existed beyond our solar system. Now we've found thousands, many rocky, many inhabitable zones. The question has shifted. Not just are there other worlds, but which are inhabited. The search for technosignatures, evidence of technology, has become central. City lights, industrial pollutants, even Dyson swarms, these are the marks of intelligence. Technosignatures are less ambiguous than biosignatures. A grid of LED lights can't be explained by geology. The Proxima B detection marks a shift from seeking life's potential to seeking its accomplishments. With so many new worlds, the odds of finding intelligence are better than ever. We're not just counting planets, we're searching for civilization. The search for technosignatures is the ultimate cosmic detective story. SETI began as a listening game, scanning the skies for radio signals from alien civilizations. For decades, the cosmos has been silent. Maybe we've been listening on the wrong channels. The search for technosignatures like Proxima B's glow adds a new dimension. Instead of waiting for a message, we're looking for the evidence of existence. City lights, energy grids, atmospheric changes. Radio signals are fleeting. Technosignatures can last millennia. The detection of artificial light shows the power of combining old and new SETI. While radio telescopes listen for whispers, Webb and others look for light. The Great Silence may just mean civilizations aren't broadcasting, but their cities might still shine quietly across the void. We're learning to see what was once invisible. Confirming artificial light on Proxima B would be a turning point for humanity. We'd no longer be alone. Our cosmic solitude ended. The night sky would become a neighborhood, not an empty expanse. Our philosophies, religions, and arts would be transformed by this new context. The discovery could unite us, making Earth's divisions seem trivial. Scientifically, we'd have a control group for civilization, learning from their successes and failures. It would spark a new era of exploration, as we strive to reach our neighbors. Most of all, it would humble us. We're not the center of intelligence, just one part of a vast, mysterious community. This would be a new Copernican revolution, displacing us from the center, but opening endless possibilities. The universe would feel more hopeful, more connected. It would be the beginning of a new chapter for science and for humanity. The glow on Proxima B would light the way to our future.